Struggling to keep your Etsy or print-on-demand shop filled with fresh, best-selling quote designs? You know the market is huge, but the process is holding you back. Constantly brainstorming new ideas, wrestling with complex design software, and manually uploading products is a massive time drain that stifles your growth. What if you could shortcut that entire process? What if you could go from a simple idea to a polished, published product in minutes, not hours? Welcome to QuoteCraft, the comprehensive AI platform built to automate and elevate your creative business. It starts with breakthrough creativity. Our AI quote generator is your ultimate idea partner. Tell it the niche, be it motivational, sassy humor, or pet lovers. Set the tone and style, and instantly receive a list of unique, market-tested quotes designed to resonate. It even suggests relevant emojis to make your designs pop. Next, transform those words into stunning visuals with our intuitive, powerful design studio. There's no need for expensive software or advanced skills. Access a vast library of fonts, apply beautiful color gradients, and add professional clip art. For truly standout designs, use advanced features like individual word styling, or generate unique AI-powered backgrounds simply by describing what you imagine. With one click, export a high-resolution, print-ready file perfectly formatted for platforms like Printify. Then automate the tedious part. Our direct Printify integration lets you publish your new design directly to your store in seconds, completely eliminating the manual upload grind. But we go beyond creation to help you sell. Instantly generate high-converting Etsy listings with optimized titles and descriptions. Create engaging social media posts to drive traffic to your new products. It's your all-in-one marketing assistant. QuoteCraft is designed to scale with your success. Begin with a free plan to explore the power of AI-assisted creation. As your business grows, upgrade to our affordable subscription tiers for more generations, advanced design tools, and powerful automation features like one-click publishing and performance analytics. Stop spending your energy on repetitive tasks. Reclaim your time, amplify your creativity, and build the thriving business you deserve. Let QuoteCraft handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what you love. Visit QuoteCraft today and start creating your bestsellers. Visit QuoteCraft.net to get started. It's free.